Now we take up the next exercise, that is exercise 5, in which we have questions based on BODMAS rules. Let's take up the first question. It says 8994 minus 4178 minus 2094. So let's say if it is the first question, what we have to do is 8994 we keep separate, minus the two numbers which are under minus sign should be added. So 4178 plus 2094. Some of you might do this question without writing this step. That's very fine. You can absolutely go ahead and do that. So it is 8994 minus, add these two. So 8 plus 4 is 12. 8 plus 4 is 12. 1 carry forward. 7 plus 9 is 16 plus 1, 17. 1 carry forward. Then 1 plus 0 is 1 plus 1, 2. And then 2 plus 4 is 6. So it comes out to be 6272. So I'll write it here. 6272. Then you subtract the number. So 4 minus 2 is 2. 9 minus 7 is 2. 9 minus 2 is 7. 8 minus 6 is 2. So it is 2722 should be the answer. Let's check this again. So first we add these two. 8 plus 4 is 12. So 2 here. 1 carry forward. 7 plus 9 is 16 plus 1, 17. So 7 here. 1 carry forward. 1 plus 0 is 1 plus 1, 2 here. 4 plus 2 is 6 here. Now 4 minus 2 is 2. 9 minus 7 is 2. 9 minus 2 is 7. 8 minus 6 is 2. So answer is 2722. But if you look at the options, this question could have been done just in one go. See, this is the conventional method. But if you look at this question, it says 8994 minus 4178 minus 2094. If we have to do it with a shortcut, just look at the unit digit of the numbers. Say unit digit of this number is 4, unit digit of this number is 8. So 8 and 4 must be added because both are faced by a minus sign. So 8 plus 4 will become 12. So unit digit will become 2. So whatever the way we have here, so it is unit digit is 2, right? Now when we subtract finally, so the unit digit should be 4 minus 2 should be 2. So without solving this question, only by focusing on the unit digit we could have done this question, right? So 8 plus 4 is 12, which is 2, and 4 minus overall 2, which is 2. So the answer should have ended in 2. If you look at the option, there is no option which is ending in 2. Hence, the correct answer is none of these. Because there is no option which has 2 as unit place, 2 at unit place. The answer of the question is none of these. Alright. Now let's take second question. And the second question we have 315 into 114 minus 1565. Now if I apply the same method of unit digit here, 5 into 4 is 20. So this number must end in 0 minus a number ending in 5. So the answer has to be ending in 5. Now here there are three options, many options which have 5 in the end. So let's solve it properly. What we do is we first find 315 into 114 by 3-digit multiplication method. So 4 into 5 is 20, so 0, 2 carry forward. Then 4 into 1 is 4 plus 1 into 5 is 5. 4 plus 5 is 9 plus 2, 11. 1 here, 1 carry forward. Then all three columns. 3 into 4 is 12. 1 into 5 is 5. 12 plus 5 is 17. Plus 1 into 1 is 1. So 18. Plus 1 is 19. So 9 here. 1 carry forward. This one is utilized. Then two columns. So 3 into 1 is 3. Plus 1 into 1 is 1. So 3 plus 1 is 4. And 1, 5. And then in the end, 3 into 1 is 3. So it is 35910, which is the product. So we have 35910 minus 1565. Then we subtract the number. So 0, 10 minus 5 is 5. This carry backward, so this becomes 0. So this is 10 minus 6, that is 4. This 9 becomes 8. 8 minus 5 becomes 3. Then 5 minus 1 becomes 4 and 3. So the final answer of the question is 34345. You can also have done the subtraction separately, like here 3, 5, 9, 1, 0 minus 1, 5, 6, 5. So 10 minus 5 is 5. This becomes 0. This again takes carry backward. So this becomes 10 minus 6, that is 4. This becomes 8 minus 5 is 3. 5 minus 1 is 4, 3. So 3, 4, 3, 4, 5 should be the answer. So this we are doing separately to support the process in this question. Then suppose we take third question. It says 3.2 into 3.2 into 6.8 into 9.5. Alright, so there is one way of doing this question that can be like this: 32 by 10 into 68 by 10 into 95 by 10, and wherever possible we make the cancellations. So 2 5s are 10, 2 34s are 68. Then 5 cancels 95 19 times. Then we multiply 32, 34 and 19 and let it be 10, 10 so that we just put decimal in the end. So what we do is we first multiply 32 by 34. Here I'll give you another method. You already are aware about two-digit multiplication method. Here I'll give you another method. Let's see, 32 can be written as 33 minus 1. 34 can be taken as 33 plus 1. And there is a formula which is a minus b into a plus b equal to a square minus b square. So this product becomes 33 square minus 1 square. So if you know 33 square, which is 1089, minus 1 is 1088. Then 1088 can be multiplied to 19, so that you can do separately. 1088 multiplied by 19 by putting 0, either by using the method of 4-digit multiplication, or if you remember the table of 19 directly. I will use the table of 19. 19 8s is 152, so we have 2 here, 15 carry forward. 19 8s is 152 plus 15 is 167, so we have 7 here, 16 carry forward, 15 is used. Then 19 0 times is 0 plus 17, so 7 here, 17 is used, 1 carry forward. 19 1s is 19 plus 1 is 20, so 20772. So my answer in this question will be 20772 divided by 10 into 10 is 100. So the final answer of the question will be 207.72. This is the answer of the question. Now question number 4. This seems to be an easy question. It's 3 by 5 of 3 by 4 of 5 by 6 of 992. Now this is a very normal simple question. Of means multiplication. So it is straight away 3 by 5 into 3 by 4 into 5 by 6 into 992, because of means multiplication. So 5 and 5 will get cancelled out. This 3 will cancel 6 2 times. This 2 will cancel 992. Let's check how many times. 2 4s are 8. Then 19. 2 9s are 18. 12. 2 6s are. So now we are left with 3 by 4 into 496. Let me write it separately. 3 by 4 into 496. Though you could have done it here itself, but I just wanted to keep it a little cleaner. Now 4 cancels 496. How many times? 4 1s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 16 4 4s are. So it is 3 into 124. So the final answer of the question would be 3 into 124, which is 372. Okay, so this was an easier question. Now let's take question number 5. What is question number 5? It says root of something. Let's assume that that something is x. The question mark is x. Plus 17, that is a separate number, is equal to root of 961. Now you need to know the squares of at least up to the numbers up to 40, 50. Now here root of 961 is straight away 31. So root of x plus 17 is equal to 31. Right? Now suppose you're not aware about this, then how will you do this calculation? You have to understand, see there is a method of square root. I'll tell you in some of the future sessions how to calculate square root of big numbers. But here, see, you have to know the squares of 10, 20, 30 and so on. 10 square is 100. 20 square is 400. 30 square is 900. Then you have to estimate, I'm not saying guess, you have to estimate what number could be that the square of which is 961. So 30 square is 900. Now 961 is number ending in 1. So the number should be slightly less greater than 30 and the square should end in 1. So the next number that you have to check is 31 square, and if you calculate 31 square by simple multiplication, you will get 1, 1 3s are 3, 1s are 6 and 3 3s are 9, which is 961. So with a small amount of slight or critical observation, you can get to know that 31 square is 961. So square root of 961 is 31. Then root of x will become 31 minus 17, which is 14. And hence if you square on both sides, it will give us that x is equal to 14 square, which is 196. This is the final answer of the question. Okay, so this is question number 5. Now let's take up question number 6. It's a simple question of addition. So whatever way the question is written, I will write in this manner: 3, 6, 4, 7, 4, 8, 9, 8, 2, 1, 2, 0 and 1, 6, 5. We can do this question without writing in this format also. The way the question is written, we could have done it like that also. But anyways, here 7 and 8 is 15 plus 5 is 20. 0 here, 2 carry forward. Then 4 plus 9 is 13 plus 2, 15 plus 6, 21 plus 2, 23. 4 plus 9 is 13 plus 2, 15 plus 6, 21 plus 2 carry forward is 23. So 3 here, 2 carry forward, this 2 is used. Then 6 plus 8, 14 plus 1, 15 plus 1, 16 plus 2, 18. 8 here, 1 carry forward. Then 3 plus 4, 7 plus 2, 9 plus 0, nothing means 0. So 3 plus 4, 7 plus 2, 9 plus 1, 10. So 1, 0 will come in the beginning. So 10830 is the answer of this question. You can check the suitable option. Okay. Let's move on to the next question. That is question number 7. It says 4.65 into question mark. Let's assume the question mark is x minus 25.18 equal to 31.271. 31.271. Now what we do is we have to solve this. Now to solve this, 4.65 into x should be kept on the same side. This 25.18 should be sent to the other side. So it will become 31.271 plus 25.18. Put a 0 in the end so that we have 3 digits after decimal in both the numbers. So it is 31.271 plus 25.180. If you add these two, what do you get? Let's see. 1 plus 0 is 1 in the end. 7 plus 8 is 15. So 5 here. 1 carry forward. 2 plus 1 is 3 plus 1, that is 4. Then decimal value, decimal point comes there. 1 plus 5 is 6. And 3 plus 2 is 5. So we have 56.451. So x should be equal to 56.451 divided by 4.65. Now this is a question of division. If you want to remove the decimal, it was 4.65. You want to remove the decimal, then you have to put a 0 here. Then both numerator and denominator have 3 digits each in the end. So we have it as 56.451 divided by sorry, the decimal is gone, so it is, let me write it again. If the decimal is gone, then it is x equal to 56451 divided by 4650. Now you see the numerator is almost 56,000, denominator is almost 4,500. So it has to be almost 4.5, double is 9, 9 6 is 54, so it is almost 12 times. So the answer has to be close to 12. But if you look at the option, there is a none of these also. So what we do is we resort to the normal division method, that is long division method. It is 5 6 4 5. What you can also do one more thing, you can approximate this 1 to 0 so that a 0 can be cancelled out. There was 1 here, we took it as 0, we approximated it to the nearest number. So what happens, before going to the long division method, cancel this 0 here. So you have x equal to 5645 divided by 465. Yes, you can use such approximations. Alright. Now cancel by 5. So when you cancel by 5, in numerator you get 1. That is 5 divided by 5 is 1. So 6 comes, then 1 again, then 14. 5 2s are 10, then 45, then 5 9s are 45. Then in denominator you will have, when you divide by 5, 5 9s are 45, 15, 5 3s are 15. So 1129 and then divide by 93. Now if you divide normally, so 1129 divide by 93. Now use the long division method and do the division. So 1129 divide by 93. So first we get 93 ones are, that is 93, subtract 93 from 112, sorry, 93 from 112, so you get this 112, subtract 93, so you get 12 minus 3 is 9. Then we have 1, so 0, so 0 becomes 10, 10 minus 9 is 1, so 19, and this 9 comes here. Then 93 2s are, it will be 2 3s are 6, 2 9s are 18, 1, so 199 minus 186, that is 13. If you take a decimal here, you get 0, so 93 ones are, so it is 93 ones are is 93. If you subtract, it will be 130 minus 93 is 37, and because there is a decimal, it will become 370. So it will almost go, the next multiplication will be almost 4. 94 is 360, so it will be 4. So the answer should be approximately equal to 12.14. This is the normal division, which is given there as the option B. So this was a little tricky question. Obviously, not all the questions may be easy. So here you have to be a little careful for such questions. Okay. Now let's take up the next question, question number 8. Here the question is 71386 minus 24630 plus 10687. Now be careful, this is a 6-digit number, this is a 5-digit number. So these two have plus sign, so they should be added. And this number has minus sign, so this will be subtracted. Now let's first add this number and this number. Now when you add them, the first number and the last number, when you add them, 6 plus 7 is 13, so we get 3 here, 1 carry forward. Then we have 9 plus 8 is 17, plus 1 18, so 8 here and 1 carry forward, this one is utilized. Then we have 8 plus 6, 14 plus 1 15, so 5 here, 1 carry forward, and this one is utilized. Then we have 3 plus 0 is 0, 3 plus 0 is 3, plus 1 is 4, so 4 here, no carry forward. Then 1 plus 1 is 2 here, and then 7 in the end, so it is 7 here. So we got, by adding these two numbers, we got 724,583 minus that number 24630. Subtract it carefully. So we have 3 minus 0, that is 3. 8 minus 3, that is 5. Then 5 minus 6, so it becomes 15 minus 6, so it is 9. Then this the next we have is 4, so it would have become 3. So 13 minus 4 is 9. Then this 2 would have become 1, so 11 minus 2, that would be 9, and the 7 would have become 6. So the answer is 699953. This is how it has to be done. Alright, now let's take up the next question, that is question number 9. So basically, whenever there is a question related to calculations, you have to be a little careful. Okay. Now 1190 divide by, this is a division sign, so divide by root of 7225, square root of 7225 into question mark, that is, let's say x is equal to 3094. Now see, this square root of 7225 is 95. We must have done earlier the number ending in 5, let's say 65. How do you find the square of 65? I'll tell you again. 5, square of 5 is 25. To find the remaining number, what you need to do is take the remaining part of the number, that is 6, multiply this 6 to the next number in counting, that is 6 plus 1, which is 7. So multiply this 6 to the 7, you will get 42. So 4225 is the square of 65. Let's take another example. If I have to find 75 square, what do we do? For 5, we get 25 in the end. And for the remaining 7, the next number to 7 is 8. So 8 into 7 is 56. So 5625 is the square of 75. Let's take another one. Let's say if it is 85, what will be the 85 square? So 5 corresponding to 5, we'll get 25 in the end. And for 8, multiply the next number, that is 9. So 9 into 8 is 72. So 7225. So I'm sorry, this is square root of 7225 will be 85. So what we have is, in this case, is 1190 divided by 85 into x is equal to 3094. So from BODMAS rule, we have this can be written as 1190 divided by 85 into x equal to 3094, which gives us x equal to 3094 cross multiplication into 85 divided by 1190. Now from here you can divide by 5 first, or you can divide by 17 also. Let's say first divide by 5. So 5 divides 85 17 times. 5 divides 1190. Let's say how many times? 2, 2, 2, 3, 8 times. 2, 3, 8 times. Alright. Then 2 divides 2, 3, 8. 1, 1, 9 times. 2 divides 3094. 1, 5, 4, 7 times. Very nice. 1, 5, 4, 7 times. Then 17 divides 119 7 times. So let me write it again. Here it is x is equal to, let's separate this first. This was a rough calculation. So separate it. We have 1547 divided by 7. And if you divide this again by cancelling, you get 7 twos is 14. So 7 twos is 14. Then you have 14, 7 twos and then you have 7 ones. So 221 is the answer of this question. So basically I have not done anything new or anything extra. The normal division process we have followed. Okay, the next question is square root of question mark. So let's say question mark, in place of question mark we take x. So root of x into root of 3136 is equal to 2184. Alright. Now, before doing this question, I'll again give you a little bit of extra information. Have you heard about square of 50? Its 50 square is 2500. Now suppose we want to find square of a number which is close to 50. Let's take an example like 57. There is a method which is called 50 base. That's what I'm explaining right now. From 50 to 57, what is the difference? Plus 7. So here, out of this 2500, take 25 separate and 00 separate. This 7 difference should be added to 25. So 25 plus 7 becomes 32. And the square of the difference will occupy the two places occupied by zeros. Okay. Now, so 7 square is 49. So 49 will appear here. This 3249 is the square of 57. Let's take another example. If I take 54, remember 50 square is 2500. So that you should keep in your mind. I'll repeat here. 50 square is 2500. Keep that thing in mind. 25 separate, 00 separate. Now for 54, what is the difference? It is plus 4. Add 4 to 25 to get 29. And then 4 square, 16 will come in the end. So 2916 is the square of 54. Let's take 56 square. Now let's try to do it mentally. 56, difference from 50 is plus 6. So 25 plus 6. So every addition has to be done to 25. So 25 plus 6 is 31. And then 6 square is 36, which will come here. So 56 square is 3136. Let's say if you have to find 58 square. Let's check if we can do that. So 50 plus 8 is 58. So what we do is 25 plus 8 is 33. And 8 square is 64. Let's suppose we have to find 59 square. The difference from 50 is 9. 25 plus 9 is 34. So remember that 50 square is 2500. So difference of number should be added to 25. And the square of difference, so 9 difference, 9 square is 81. That should be written in the end. So 3481 is the square of 59. Now here 3136, by looking at it, you should know that it is the square of 56. So square root of 3136 will become 56. So let's get back to the question. It was root x into 56 equal to 2184. Then this means root x is equal to 2184 divided by 56. If you divide this by, let's say, 2, it becomes 28. If you divide this by 2, it becomes 1092. Then again divide by 2, it becomes 14. This becomes 546. Then let me write it again. It is 546 divided by 14. Divide by 2 again, it becomes 7, and this becomes 273. Then 273 would be directly divisible by 7. Let's see how many times. 7 3s are 21. 7 3s are 21. 63. So 7 9s are 63. So 39. So we have root x equal to 39. That means, let me separate this first. That means, let me write it again. Root x is equal to 39. So that means x is equal to 39 square, and that you can separately calculate. It comes out to be 1521. So this is the square of 39, or this is the value of x. So 1521 is the answer of this question. Now how to find the square of 39? That also can be done with the help of base 50 method. Where should I take it? I'll take it here. The way we did it for numbers above 50, we can do it for the numbers below 50 also. Let's say 50 square is 2500. I'm trying to calculate square of 39. Let's say 39. How much is the difference of 39 from 50? That is minus 11. So 25 minus 11 will be 14. And then 11 square is 121. So 21 will come in the end, and 1 will get added to 14 as a carry forward. So the final answer will become 14 plus 1 is 15 and 21 in the end. So 1521 is the square of 39. I'll repeat the square of 39 again. 39 difference from 50 is minus 11. So 25 minus 11 becomes 14, and 11 square is 121. Now as we have only two zeros, so out of 121, only 21 will come in the end, and 1 will get added to the first part, which is 14. So 14 plus 1 is 15, and 1521 will be written as the answer of 39 square. So this is the final answer of our question. Okay, so we move on to the next question now. It says 2.5 into 6.4 divide by 0.8. So first we write it in the normal form, that is 2.5 into 6.4 divide by 0.8, and we put another 0 just to ensure that we have 2 digits after decimal, because in numerator we have 1 digit here after decimal and 1 digit here after decimal. Now we can remove decimal and it will become 25 into 64 upon 80. Now 25 cancels by 5 times, 80 cancels by 5 16 times, and 16 fours is 64. So it is 5 into 4, which is 20. So our answer of the question is 20. All right. Now let's take up the next question. It says, question number 12 is 3 divided by 344 into question mark. So take it as x plus 148 is equal to 196. So we have to find x. So first write in the normal form. So it implies it becomes 3 divided by 344 into x. Now this plus 148 goes to the other side. So it becomes 196 minus 148. Now 196 minus 148, it becomes 48 on subtraction. Now we have 3 upon 344 into x equal to 48. Hence, x is equal to 48 into 344 divided by 3. Now 48 gets cancelled by 3 16 times. So we have 16 into 344. Now you can multiply it separately, 344 into 16, or you can directly use table of 16. So 16 fours is 64. So 4 here, 6 carry forward. 16 fours is again 64 plus 6, that is 70. So 0 here, 7 carry forward, 6 is used. Now 16 threes is 48 plus 7 is 55. So 55 here. So the final answer of the question is 5504. So this is where we have completed the question. Okay, now let's take question number 13. It says 32687 plus 23349 equal to 33158 plus question mark. Let's say it is x. In place of question mark, we place x. Now add these two numbers first. So you get 7 plus 9 is 16. 6 here, 1 carry forward. 8 plus 4 is 12 plus 1, 13. 8 plus 4, 12 plus 1, 13. 3 here, 1 carry forward. 6 plus 3, 9 plus 1, 10. 0 here, 1 carry forward. Then 2 plus 1, 3 plus 3, 6. And 3 plus 2 is 5. So 56036 is equal to 33158 plus x. So this implies that x is equal to 56036 minus 33158. Then you subtract. So x is equal to 6 minus 8. So 16 minus 8 is 8. This 3 becomes 2, and 2 minus 5. So this becomes 12 minus 5, that is 7. This 0 would have taken carry backward 1 from 6, so it becomes 10. Now 10, we have already given 1 to 3, so it becomes 9. 9 minus 1 is 8. This 6 becomes 5. 5 minus 3 is 2. And again 5 minus 3 is 2. So 22878. You can subtract separately also and you can write the answer there. So this is, we have, this is 22878 is the final answer. Now let's take up question number 14. It says 432 into 66 minus 1562 is equal to what? So first we have to do 432 into 66. So let's multiply by the digit method. 432 into 66, put a 0 here and multiply. 6 2s are 12, 1 carry forward. Then two columns, 6 into 3, 18 plus 6 into 2, 12. So 18 plus 12 is 30 plus 1, 31. So 1 here, 3 carry forward, 1 is used. Then all the three columns. 6 into 4, 24 plus 0 into 2, 0 plus 6 into 3, 18. So 24 plus 0 plus 18 is 42 plus 3, 45. 5 here, 4 carry forward, 3 is used. Then two columns, 4 into 6, 24 plus 0 into 3, 0. So 24 plus 4, 28. 8 here, 2 carry forward, 4 is used. Then 4 into 0 is 0 plus 2. So it is 2. So 28512 is the answer of first part. So here it becomes 28512 minus 1562. So the answer of the question will become, let's subtract. 2 minus 2 is 0. 1, that is 11 minus 6, so it becomes 5. This 5 becomes 4 and 4 minus 5, so 14 minus 5 becomes 9. 8 becomes 7 minus 1, that is 6 and 2. So the final answer of the question is 26950. Okay, then we take question number 15. It says 65% of 599, right? So here what we should do is, let's take 599 as 600 minus 1. So it will become 65% of 600 minus 65% of 1. Now 65% of 600 would be 65 by 100 into 600 minus 65% of 1 would be 65 by 100 into 1. So here 0 and 0 get cancelled and we'll get 65 6a, that is 390 minus 0.65, which is final answer is 389.35. This is the answer of this question. Then let's take question number 16. Here it is, so it is 999.99 plus 99.99 plus 9.99. So what we will do is, if you look at the options, then there are no options which match, because it is 9 plus 9 plus 9. So end digit, last digit should be 7. So the answer is none of these straight away. But if I have to do it, then how do we do it? 999.99 plus 99.99, this was 999.99, 99.99 plus 9.99. So if you add them, it will become 999. So 27, 7 here, 2 carry forward. Then 999, 27 plus 2, 29. Again 2 carry forward, this is used. Then decimal point. Then 999, that is 27 plus 2, 29. Again 2 carry forward, this 2 is used. Then 9 plus 9 is 18 plus 2 is 20. So 0 here, 2 carry, this 2 is used. Then alone this 9 plus 2, 11. So 1109. So the answer is 1109.97. So it is none of these. As we said earlier, that you could check the last digit and you can find the answer. Okay, so this is question number 16. Answer is 1109.97. Okay. Now let's take question number 17. It says 18 into question mark. So it is 18 into x is equal to 7776 divided by 12. So first write it in the standard form. It is 18 into x is equal to 7776 divided by 12. So if you divide by 12, you will get 12 6 are 72, then 5 remaining 57. So 12 4s are 48, 9 remaining, 96. 12 8s are 96. So this x must become 648 divided by 18. Then you can either cancel directly by 18 or you can cancel by 6 first. So 6 3s are 18 and 6108 times 648. Now it is 108 upon 3. Divide by 3, it will be 3 3s are 9, 18, 3 6 are 18. So it's a simple multiplication division question. Then let's move on to question number 18. It says 11 into 55 plus 5 plus 9. So first what we do is we multiply 11 and 55. So this becomes 11 5s are 55, 5 carry, 11 5s are 55 plus 5, that is 30. So it is 60. So it is 605 plus 5 plus 9. Then you can add it simply. 605 plus 5 is 610 plus 9 is 619. So it is a one line question. Then question number 19. This is 8 raised to the power 4 minus 8 square. Now you see, this 8 raised to the power 4 can be written as 8 to the power 2 into 2 minus 8 square. Hence it would be 8 raised to 2 square minus 8 square. So it can be 64 square minus 8 square, or you can take 8 square common. You can take 8 square common. So what will remain? 8 square from the first number and minus 1 from the second number. So it becomes 64 outside into 64 minus 1, 63 inside. So we have this as 64 into 63. You can multiply 64 into 63. What we have to do is, it is 64 into 63. I'm so sorry. 3 4s are 12. 1 carry forward. 3 6s are 18 plus 6 4s are 24. 18 plus 24 is 42 plus 1 is 43. So 3 here. 4 carry forward. 1 is used. Then 6 6 is 39 plus 6 6 is 36 plus 40. So it is 4032. So 64 into 63 is 4032. This is the answer of this question. Okay. Final answer of the question is 4032. All right. Now let's take up question number 20. Question 20, it says 66606 plus 40998 equal to question mark. Let's say question mark is x minus 24848. So first you add these two numbers on LHS and on left hand side. If you add them, you will get 6 plus 8, 14. So 4. 0 plus 9 is 9 plus 1, 10. So 0. 1 carry forward. Then 6 plus 9 is 15 plus 1, 16. 1 carry forward. Then 6 plus 0 is 6 plus 1, 7. Then 6 plus 4 is 10. So 107604. Add again. 6 plus 8 is 14. 1 carry forward. Then 0 plus 9 is 9 plus 1. That is 10. So 0. 1 carry forward. Then 6 plus 9 is 15 plus 1, 16. 6 here. 1 carry forward. Then 6 plus 0 is 6 plus 1, 7. 6 plus 4 is 10. This is equal to x minus 24848. So from here we can say that x is equal to 107604 plus 24848. When it goes to the other side, it becomes plus 24848. And the final answer will be on adding these two. 4 plus 8 is 12. 1 carry forward. 0 plus 4 is 4 plus 1, 5. Then we have 6 plus 8 is 14. So 4 here, 1 carry forward. Then we have 7 plus 4 is 11. 7 plus 4 is 11 plus 1, 12. So 2 here, 1 carry forward. Then 0 plus 2 is 2 plus 1, 3. And in the end, 1. So 132452 is the answer of the question. Okay. Then we have question number 21. Let's say question number 21 is 1181 plus 1520 is equal to 26 square plus question mark square. So it is, let's say, x square. We have to find x. Now 1181 plus 1520, add them. You get 1 plus 0 is 1, 8 plus 2 is 0, so 0, 10, so 0, 1 carry forward. 1 plus 5 is 6 plus 1 7, and 1 plus 1 is 2. So 2701 is equal to 26 square. You should calculate, it is 676 plus x square. So from here we have x square is equal to 2701 minus 676. Let's subtract. So 1, that is 11 minus 6, that is 5. Then this 0 becomes 9. 9 minus 7 is 2. This 7 becomes 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. And 2 is 2. So it is 2025. Now you see 2025 is a number ending in 25 and it is a square. So if you remember number ending in 5 square, it is actually, if you factorize it, it will become, if 2025 you factorize it will become 5 into 405. Further, if you factorize it is 5 into 5 into, you see, it becomes 81. So it is 5 square into 9 square. It is 5 square into 9 square. 5 square into 9 square. So that means x square is equal to 5 square into 9 square. So if you remove square from all places, you will get x equal to 5 into 9, that is 45. So finding the square root was the challenge here, which we did without memory. What we did was we factorized 2025. So we got squares here, 5 square and 9 square. Hence x is equal to 5 into 9. 45 is the answer of the question. Now question number 22. It says 5975 divide by square root of question mark. So let's say it is x is equal to 195 into 5. First write them properly. So it is 5975 divided by square root of x is equal to 195 into 5. Cross multiplication, root x to the other side and 195 into 5 to the other side. So we have root x equal to 5975 divided by 195 into 5. See, as long as possible, let's not multiply in advance. Okay, if there is a possibility of cancellation, use the cancellation process. So if we cancel by 5, this 5975 will give us 1, 47, 5 9s are 45 and 25, 5 5s are 25. So we have 1195 by 195. And again, if you, so let me write once again. So root x is equal to 1195 divided by 195. So if you cancel again, by 5, it will give us 13. No, it will not give us 13. So if you divide by 5, it will give us 39. And if you divide this by 5, it will give us 5 2s are 10, 19, 5 3s are 15, 45. So 239. So the final answer of the question would be 239 upon 39. If you look at the option, no option is even closer to this. This is approximately 6 times. It is almost 6 something. So the answer of the question according to the given options is none of these. So according to the given option, the answer is none of these. So even if you see this is root x equal to approximately equal to 6, then it must be x square approximately equal to 6 square, which is equal to 36. Hence none of these. There is no option which matches this situation. Alright. Then we take up question number 23. It says, what is 456 times 121? So it is a normal multiplication question. It is 456 multiplied by 121. Let's do by the method of digits multiplication method, 3 digit by 3 digit. So it is 1 into 6 is 6. Then 2 columns, 1 into 5 is 5 plus 2 into 6 is 12. 5 plus 12 is 17. So 7 here, 1 carry forward. Then we have 1 into 4 is 4, plus 1 into 6 is 6. So 4 plus 6 is 10, plus 5 into 2 is 10, 10 plus 10 is 20, plus 1, 21. So 1 here, 2 carry forward, 1 is used. Then we take two columns. So 4 into 2 is 8 plus 1 into 5 is 5. So 8 plus 5 is 13 plus 2 is 15. So 5 here. 1 carry forward. 2 is used. Then 4 into 1 is 4 plus 1 is 5. So it is 55176. There was only one option ending in 6, but because none of these was there, we had to do this calculation separately also. Okay, to confirm. Let's take question number 24 here itself. It is 7 raised to the power 5 minus 73 equal to. Now see here, 7 raised to 5 can be written as 7 square into 7 square into 7 raised to 1 minus 73. Now see, 7 square is 49. So basically what we have is 49 into 49 into 7 minus 73. Now there are various methods with which you can find 49 square. We have already discussed 50 base. So if I take 50 square to be 2500, then 49 difference is minus 1. So 25 minus 1 would be 24. So it is 2401 into 7 minus 73. So it is 16807 minus 73. The final answer would be equal to, if you subtract, 7 minus 3 is 4, 10 minus 7 is 3, this 8 becomes 7, so it is 7, and 1 6 comes as it is. So answer is 16734. So basically we have calculated the whole value of 7 raised to 5. That's the safest way of doing this question. Alright. Okay, so now question number 25. It says 45% of 978. So what we do is we write 45% as 50% minus 5. And this whole thing is of 978. So what we do is 50% we know it is half. So we first open it. So it is 50% of 978 minus 5% of 978. Now see, 50% of 978 is half of 978. So simply divide 978 by 2. So I'll just write one step which you don't need to. But to make it clear, I'll write it again. 50% of means half of 978. And whatever we get, 1/10 of that number will be 5%. So this I will not touch. Okay. So half of 978, if you cancel 978 by 2, you just cancel it by 2, you get 2 4s are 8. So we have 1 remaining, so 17, 2 8s are 16, 1 remaining 18, so 9. So it is 489. Now please understand here, 50% of the number is 489. So 5% will be 1/10 of that number. So 1/10 of 489 will be 5% of 978. I repeat, 5% of 978 will be 1/10 of 50% of 978. We have already calculated 50% of 978 to be 489. So 1/10 of that number will be 48.9. I repeat, it is 48.9. So subtract 48.9 from 489. So we get a decimal here, a 0 here. So 0 minus 9 is 1 decimal. This 9 becomes 8. 8 minus 8 is 0. Then this 8 minus 4 is 4, and this 4. So it is 440.1 is the answer of that question number 25. Now let's take question number 26. It says 348 into 82 minus 20,000. So what we need to do is we multiply 348 into 82 separately. So we do it here, 348 multiplied by 82 using column method. 2 8s is, so we put 0 here. Now 2 8s is 16, so 6 here. Then 2 columns, 2 into 4 is 8, 8 into 8 is 64. So 8 plus 64 is 72 plus 1 that was carried over from the previous step. 4 2s are 8, 8 8 is 64 plus 8 72 plus 1 73. 3 here, 7 carry forward, 1 is used. Then 3 columns, 2 into 3 is 6, 0 into 8 is 0, 4 into 8 is 32. So 6 plus 0 plus 32 is 38 plus 7 is 45. So 5 here, 4 carry forward, 7 is used. Then 2 columns. So 3 into 8 is 24, plus 0 into 4 is 0. So 24 plus 0 plus 4 is 28. So 8 here, 2 carry forward, 4 is used, and then 3 into 0 is 0 plus 2 is 2. So what we get is 348 into 82 is 28536 minus 20000. 28,536 minus 20,000. So we have 8,536 as the answer of this question. So this we have done question number 26. Now we take up question number 27. It says 4 by 5 of 5 by 7 of 6 by 11 of 4, 3, 1, 2. So of means multiplication, so it is 4 by 5 into 5 by 7 into 6 by 11 into 4, 3, 1, 2. Let's see, whatever gets cancelled out, we will cancel them. So 5 and 5 get cancelled. Let's check whether this 4312 is divisible by 7. I think yes, it is divisible. So let's try it. So 7 cancels 4312. 7 6 is 42. So we get 1. 1 on 1 11. So 7 1s are 7. So 4 remaining 42. So 7 6 is 42. So now we have 616 divided by 11. Now does this get divided by 11? Yes, this is also divisible by 11. So divided by 11. So 11 cancels 616. 11 5s are 55. 61 is there. So 6 is remaining. 66. So 6 times. So if you divide 616 by 11, normally you get 56. So final outcome will be 4 from here, 6 from here, and 56 in the end. Alright, so whatever way you wish, you can multiply. So let's do one thing. Take this 4 separate. Now 6 multiplied by 56, multiply it. So 6 6 are 36, 3 carry forward. 6 5s are 30 plus 3 carry forward 33. So we have 336. And then 4 into 336 can be multiplied mentally. 4 into 6, 24, 2 carry forward. 4 into 3, 12 plus 2, 14. 4 here, 1 carry forward. 4 into 3, 12 plus 1, 13. So we have 1344 as the answer of this question. I repeat, first we multiplied 6 with 56. We got 336. Then 336 into 4. 4 6 are 24 is 4. So we get 2 carry forward. Then 4 3s are 12 plus 2 14. So 4 here, 1 carry forward. 4 3s are 12 plus 1 13. So 1344 is the answer of question number 27. Now question number 28. It says 39 into question mark. So let's take it as x, question mark to be x, equal to 18252 divide by 26. So we have to find the value of x. Let's write it again. It is 39 into x is equal to 18252. Division can be written like this by 26. So we have x equal to 18252 divided by 26 into 39. See if it can be cancelled. 18252 and 26 both will be divisible by 2. So 2 divides 26 13 times. 2 divides 18 252. Let's see, to 9,126 times. And visibly 9126 is divisible by 13. So let's write it here again. 9126 into nothing 9126 divided by 13 into 39. Now 13 divides 9126. 13 sevens are is 91, then 0, and then 26 13 twos are. So we have 702 divided by 39. Now see, 39 is divisible by 3. 702 is also divisible by 3. 7 plus 2 is 9. Okay. So divide by 3. So 3 divides 39 13 times. And 3 divides 702 how many times? Let's see. 3 2s are 6. Then we have 1 0 10. 3 3s are 9. 1 2 12. 3 4s are 12. So 234 upon 13. And then 13 must divide 234. Let's see. 13 divides 234 how many times? 13 1s are is 13. So 23 we get 10. 104. 38 is 104. So we have x equal to 18 as the final answer of the question.
So x is equal to 18. So the question mark value was 18. Now let's take question number 29. Question 29, it says 4, 4, 4, 5, 6 divide by, so it's a division sign, divide by square root of question mark, let's say x in place of question mark, is equal to 213 into 6. So what we do is we write first this as 44456 divide by root x is equal to 213 into 6. Alright, and then what we do is, this is 6. Then what we do is we take root x on the other side, cross multiplication, and 213 into 6 below 44456. So we have 44456 divided by 213 into 6 is equal to root x. So from here, if you see, this 44456 must get divisible by 6. Let's see how. 6 is 2 into 3. 44456 is an even number, so it will be divisible by 2. Check whether it is divisible by 3 or not. So to do that, you check the sum of digits. So 4 plus 4 plus 4 is 12, plus 5 is 17, plus 6 is 23. Oh, it is not divisible by 3. So 44456 is not divisible by 3. Alright, no problem. Let's see if it is divisible by 213. That will be a little difficult to check. 44456 213. Let's check here if it is divisible by 213. 44456 divided by 213. The normal division process. 213 twice is 426. Subtract. We get 14 minus 6, 8 here. 3 minus 2, 1 here. Then we get 5 here. 5 comes down. Still not sufficient, so we put a 0 here and we get 6 here. Now 2 9s is 18, 2 8s is 16, 13 8s no, it is not going to be divisible. So I think it remains as it is. And what we do is the maximum that we can do is here is divide by 2. So 2 3s are 6 and 2 gets cancelled and we get 2 2 2 2 8. So root x is equal to, so what we have is root x is equal to, okay, let me write here, root x is equal to 2228 upon 213 into 3, which is root x equal to oh, there are 4 2's. So 22228 upon 639. So x will be the square of this number. So right, so we have root x equal to 22228 upon 639. Hence x will be the square of this number. So it is 2228 upon 639 square. Whatever is this value, that will be the answer. So if you divide 2228 by 639, you get 34.78 and then square of that number. So it comes out to be 34.78 of and into 34.78, which is equal to approximately 1210. So it is approximately equal to 1210. Now it depends on the options given whether we have to consider this whole thing, the square term, or we have to write in decimal term. So if the options are given, we can check it from there. But the answer is 1210 approximately. Okay. Now let's take up the next question, question number 30. It is 1617 plus 2561 is equal to 37 square plus question mark square. No, so we take x in place of question mark and x square. Now first add 1617 plus 2561. So you get 7 plus 1 8, 1 plus 6 7, 6 plus 5 11, 1 carry forward, 1 plus 2 3 and 1 4. So it is 4178. Repeat. Let's do it again. 7 plus 1 8, 1 plus 6 7, 6 plus 5 11, 1 here, 1 carry, 1 plus 1 2 plus 2 4. is equal to, now 37 square you can calculate separately, it comes out to be 1369 plus x square. So what you do is you bring 1369 on this side, so you get 4178 minus 1369 equal to x square. So we get x square equal to 18 minus 9 is 9. This becomes 6 minus 6 is 0. 11 minus 3 is 8. This becomes 3 minus 1 2. So it is 2809. Now 2809 itself is square of 53. So x is equal to 53. So directly we find the answer of this question. Okay. Now question number 31, it says square root of question mark, so it is x, square root of x plus 17 is separate, is equal to square root of 3136. Now as we have already done the square methods, from there you can check that 3136 square root is actually equal to 56. 3136 is the square of 56. We would have done the method of 50 base of squaring. So from there we can see it is 3136 square root is 56. So square root of x plus 17 is equal to 56. So what we have is root of x is equal to 56 minus 17, and that is equal to 16 minus 7 is 9 and 4 minus 1 is 3, so 39. So root x is 39, so x should be equal to 39 square, and again from 50 base method you can see that 39 square is 1521. You can go back to the video of squares and you can learn again the base 50, base 100 methods, and from there you can come back again and you can learn these things. So this is an easy question if you have practiced the squares the way we have explained earlier. Alright. Now question number 32, it says, question number 32 it says 45387 plus 78592 equal to question mark, that is x, minus 54367. So what we do is we add this side first. So 7 plus 2 is 9. 8 plus 9 is 17. So 7 here, 1 carry. 3 plus 1, 4 plus 5, 9. 5 plus 8 is 13, so 1 carry. 4 plus 7 is 11 plus 1, 12. Let's do it again. 7 plus 2 is 9. 8 plus 9 is 17. 7 here, 1 carry. 3 plus 1, 4 plus 5, 9. 5 plus 8, 13. 3 here, 1 carry. 4 plus 7, 11 plus 1, 12 is equal to x minus 54367. So x is equal to 54367 comes to the other side and becomes positive. So we have 123979 plus 54367. So x is equal to, if you add this, 9 plus 7 is 16. 1 carry forward. 7 plus 6 is 13 plus 1, 14. 1 carry forward. 9 plus 1, 10 plus 3, 13. 3, 1 carry forward. Then 3 plus 4 is 7 plus 1, 8. 2 plus 5 is 7, and then 1. So x is equal to 178346 is the correct answer of question number 32. Alright, so now we take question number 33. It says 12607 plus 4566 minus 1349 is equal to question mark into 86. So let's take x in place of question mark into 86. So what we have to do is we have to first add these two numbers. So we get 6 plus 7, 13, 3 here, 1 carry forward. 6 plus 0, 6 plus 1, 7. Then we have 5 plus 6 is 11, 1 carry forward. 4 plus 2, 6 plus 1, 7, and then 1 minus 1349 is equal to x into 86. Now we subtract. So 3 minus 9, 13 minus 9 is 4. This becomes 6 minus 4, that is 2. Then we have 1 minus 3, so 11 minus 3, that will be 8. And then we have 6 minus 1, that is 5, and 8. 1. So 15824 is equal to x into 86. Now we do the normal division process. So x is equal to 15824 divided by 86. So I think they can be cancelled by 2. So 2 cancels 86 43 times. And 2 cancels 15824 7912 times. I think 7912 can be divided by 43. So use the normal division method, that is 7912 divided by 43. So 43 ones, 43 here, then minus. You get 9 minus 3 is 6, 7 minus 4 is 3. Then 1 comes here. So 43 8 times. So 8 3s are 24. 2 carry forward. 8 4s are 32 plus 2 34. So 344. 11 minus 4 is 7. 5 minus 4 is 1. 3 3 cancels. So 2 comes here. Now 43 4 times will be 172. 4 3s are 12. 4 4s are 16. So 172. Subtract. So the whole division gives us 184. So the final answer of the question is 184. Alright. Now let's take up the next question. That is question number 34. It says 741560 plus. This is all plus, so let me write all of them in the same column. So let's not go ahead. Right here, it is 741560 is the first number. Second number is 935416. Then we have 1143. So 1143 will come here. Then we have 17364. So 17364. Add all of them. So we get 0 plus 6 plus 3 plus 4, that is 13. So 3 here, 1 carry forward. 6 plus 1, 7. Plus 1, 8. Plus 4, 12. Plus 6, 18. So 8 here, 1 carry forward. 1 plus 5 is 6 plus 4. 10 plus 1, 11 plus 3, 14. 4 here, 1 carry forward. Now 1 plus 1, 2 plus 5. 7 plus 1, 8 plus 7, 15. 5 here, 1 carry forward. 1 plus 4, 5 plus 3, 8 plus 1, 9. 7 plus 9, 16. So 1695483. 1695483 is the answer, which is C option in this case. Okay, so this is what we have, question number 34. Now we take up question number 35. It says cube root of 50653. Now 50653, if you see this, it does not seem to be divisible by 3, because 5 plus 0 is 5 plus 6, 11 plus 5, 16 plus 3, 19. It's not divisible by 3. If you look at the options, 39 and 33 are ruled out. Now we are left with 41 and 43. You see, 41 cube cannot have a 3 in the end. So that is also ruled out. So what we can do now is to check whether 43 cube can be this number or not. Even 43 cube cannot be this, because 43 cube is more than 64,000. 40 cube is 64,000. So 43 cube will be more than 64,000. So this answer of this question will be none of these. I repeat. If you see 50653, if you add all the digits, 5 plus 6, 11 plus 5, 16 plus 3, 19. 19 is not divisible by 3. So this number, cube root of this number, cannot be divisible by 3. So in the options, if you have, the options are A 39, B 43, C 33, D 41, and E none of these. Now 39 is divisible by 3, so it is ruled out. 33 is divisible by 3, it is ruled out, because cube root of this number, if it is divisible by 3, the number has to be divisible by 3. Here it is not divisible by 3, so the answer cannot be divisible by 3. Now out of this 43 and 41, none of them can be the answer, because we know that 40 cube is equal to 64,000. Here the number is less than 64,000, so it cannot be 41 cube, it cannot be 43 cube. So these two are also ruled out. So the answer of this question is none of the options. None of these. Alright, so this is one very beautiful question. Now let's take question number 36. It says square root of question mark. So square root of x, let's take x in place of question mark. into square root of 1681, that is equal to 2296. Now, square root of 1681 from the base 50, again, we have done it earlier, and we can still go back to the squares session and check. 1681 is the square of 41. We have discussed the base 50 method. I'll repeat here. 50 square is 2500. So what we have to do is to find 41 square, check the difference of 50 and 41, that is 9. So subtract 9 from 25, only 25. So 25 minus 9 is 16, and 9 square will take the place of 0, 0. So 9 square is 81, so hence it will be 1681. So square root of 1681 will be equal to 41. So we take root x into 41 equal to 2296. So that means root x will be equal to 2296 divided by 41. So we go for the normal process, 2296 divided by 41. Let's see how many times does it go. We use a normal division method, divide by 41. So first we take 46 times, that is 240 more. So 5 times. 41 5 times will be 205. So we are left with 9 minus 5, that is 4, and 2 here, and 220, so 6 here. Now 246, 41 6 times is 246. So this gets cancelled. Now so 56. So we get 56 here. We place root x equal to 56. So x is equal to 56 square. Now again using the base 50 method, suppose we have to, again we use the same method. 50 square is equal to 2500. And if we have to find the square of 56, how do we do that? Difference is plus 6. So 25 plus 6 will be 31. 25 plus 6 will be 31. And 6 square, the difference square will occupy 0, 0 places, that is 36. So 56 square is 3136. Hence the answer is still none of these. Anyway, the answer is 3136. Just check if it is there in the options. Now question number 37, it says 0.08 into question mark. So let's say it is x into it is 1.6. It is 1.6. It is equal to 0.2944. So we have to find x here. So x is equal to 0.2944 divided by 0.08 into 1.6. Okay. So what we see here is there are 4 digits after decimal in the numerator, and there are total 3 digits in the denominator. So let's put a 0 here and remove all the decimals. So we have 2944 upon 8 into 16. Let's see if it is divisible. 2944, it is divisible by 4. So divide 4 by 16 4 times and divide this by 4. So 29. 4 7s are 28. Then 1 4 14. 4 3s are 12. Then 2 4 24. 4 6s are, it is 3 here. And 4 6s are 24. Then let's write it again. So x is equal to 736 divided by 8 into 4. Now 736 is again divisible by 4. So divide by 4. 4 1s are 4. 333. So 4 8s are 32. Then 1 6 16. 4 4s are 16. Then 184 seems to be divisible by 8. So if you divide, it is 184 divided by 8. So 8 2s are 16. Then remaining is 2, 2, 24. So 8 3s are 24. So we have 23 as the value of x. So the final answer of the question will be 23. Okay. Now let's take question number 38. Question number 38. It says, cube root of 1 to, question 38 is 7 cube divide by root of question mark. So let's say it is x plus 7 is equal to 14. So send this 7 to the other side. So it becomes 14 minus 7. And here 7 cube, let it be like that. So 7 cube divided by root x is equal to 14 minus 7, that is equal to 7. So we cross multiply, we get 7 cube divided by 7 is equal to root of x. Now 7 cube by 7 will become 7 square. So what we have from here is 7 square is equal to root of x. Now this means, I write again, 7 square is root of x. So x will be equal to 7 square ka square, square of 7 square. Now 7 square itself is 49, so it is 49 square. From base 50 method, you can still calculate 49 square, and that will be equal to, let's say, if we have 50 square equal to 2500, then 49 square, if you want to calculate, difference is minus 1. So 25 minus 1 will be 24, and 1 square will be 01. So 49 square is 2401. That's the answer of question number 38. Now we have question number 39. It says cube root of 12167 into question mark. So let's say it is x is equal to 1035. Now you see 12161 must be a cube of some number. Let's check it randomly. We know that 20 cube is equal to 8000. We know that 30 cube is equal to 27,000. So that means 12161, if it is a 12167, I'm so sorry, it is 12167. 12167. That means 12167 must be a cube of a number between 20 and 30. Alright. Now it is 12167. So the number cannot be 21 because 21 cube will have 1 in the end. It cannot be 22 cube because 22 cube will be even in the end. Let's check 23 cube. Now 23 cube, how will you calculate it? Is 22 square is 529, and 23 cube will be equal to 23 square it is. 23 cube will be equal to 23 square into 23, that is 529 into 23. If you multiply, this will give us 12167. So it is 23 cube. So cube root of 12167 will be 23. Okay. So cube root of 12167 will be 23. So 23 into x is equal to 1035. So x is equal to 1035 divided by 23. Just check if it is divisible. I think it is. 23 fours is 92. So remaining is 11. Then 5 becomes, so makes it 115, which is 23. 5 times 115. So we have 45. So the value of x here is 45. Now let's take question number 40. 40 is based on that column method of multiplication. It is 1256 into 3892. So let's use that. 1256 into 3892. If you multiply 2 6 are, first we start from the last column. 2 6 are 12, 2 here, 1 carry forward. Then two columns, 2 into 5 10, 9 into 6 54. So 10 plus 54 is 64, plus 165. So 5 here, 6 carry forward, 1 is gone. Then 3 columns, so 2 into 2 4, plus 8 into 6 32, plus 5 into 9 45. So 4 plus 2 into 2 is 4, 8 into 6 is 48. Alright, 8 into 6 is 48. So 4 plus 48 is 52, plus 45, that is 97, plus 6 is 103. So we have 3 here and 10 carry forward, 6 is used. Now all 4 columns. So extreme columns, cross multiplication. 2 into 1 is 2, plus 3 into 6 is 18. So 2 plus 18 is 20. plus 2 into 9 is 18, 20 plus 18 is 38, plus 8 into 5 is 40, so 38 plus 40 is 78, plus 10 is 88, so 8 here, 8 carry forward and 10 is used. Now leave the last column and take the first three columns. So 1 into 9 is 9, plus 3 into 5 is 15, so 9 plus 15, 24, plus 2 into 8 is 16, so 24 plus 16 is 40, 40 plus 8, 48, so 8 here, 4 carry forward, this 8 is used. Then take two columns. We have already taken four columns, we have already taken three columns, and now two columns. So 1 into 8 is 8, plus 3 into 2 is 6. So 8 plus 6 is 14, plus 4 is 18. So 8 here, 1 carry forward. Now take the first column only. So 1 into 3 is 3, plus 1, 4. So the final answer of the question is 4888, 352. So 4888, 352 is the answer. So check if there is an option like this. Okay.